How to place trade in MetaTrader 5. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you simply how to place your trade, either buying or selling on MetaTrader 5. So let's dive right into the video. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. So looking here on the screen is my MetaTrader 5 app. So you need to make sure that you are using the latest version of the MetaTrader 5. You can actually do that by going to your Play Store, App Store, depending on your device, and search for MetaTrader 5. Just go ahead and search for MetaTrader 5 and get it updated. Once it is updated, the next step you need to take is to go ahead and open the app like this. Make sure you've actually created an account and log into your account. So right here at the bottom of the screen, you can see the chat option. So if you go ahead and click on that like this, at the top right corner, you can see this option right here. So you just need to go ahead and click on it. So when you do that, you're going to see the option of either sell or buy. Looking here, you can see sell, you can see buy. So if you want to buy, you can go ahead and click on buy like this. But before that, you need to go ahead and select the currency you want to trade on. Looking here, you can see that. If you click on that, you can change it to whichever currency you want to trade on. So let's say you want to trade on GBP USD. So if you click on that like this, this is it. So you need to go ahead and select buy if you want to buy. Now once you do that, at the top right corner like this, you can also see the time icon right there. If you click on that, you are going to be able to set your take profit and stop loss. So right here, you just need to drag the stop loss to where you want it to be and the take profits to where you want it to be. This is the take profits and this is the stop loss. Right here is the stop loss and this is the take profits. Once it hits the take profits, it is going to stop trading and you're going to take your profits. So once it hits on the stop loss, the trade is actually going to stop and you'll be able to get your profits or your loss. So that is it. Once you are done setting the take profit and stop loss, the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on buy at the top right corner again. Go ahead and click on that. So once this is done, you have started trading. Looking here at the bottom of the screen, you can see trade. In order for you to check how your trade is going, you can go here and click on trade. You can see how your trade is going here. You can see that it is reading. So this is how our trade is going. So in order for you to actually stop the trade, you need to go ahead and click on this three dots here where you can see positions. Go ahead and click on that three dots. I think the trade is actually going well somehow. So let's go ahead and click on the three dots icon right here. So looking here, you can see close all positions. Looking here, you can see close profitable position. Looking here, you can see close losing position. So you can either close all position or close the profitable position or close the losing position. So let's say you click on any of them like this, it is actually going to close the losing position. I clicked on the losing position. So let's say you want to close all positions, you can go ahead and click on it like this again and click on close all positions. So once that is done, the trade is actually going to close and you're going to stop trading that. So this is how simple it is to place a trade on MetaTrader 5. For more helpful tutorials like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this. Don't forget to like this video as well. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.